Hello viewers, welcome to MathTech. I am Amit Sharma. Welcome to the lecture series of Abstract Algebra for CSIR NET, GATE, NBHM, TIFR, MSc Mathematics and IIT JAM exam. This is part 1 of lecture 2. So without a delay, let's start. Symmetric set Sn. The set of all 1 1 and onto mapping from set A containing n elements to itself is known as symmetric set Sn. The elements of Sn is called permutation. Number of elements in the set Sn, which is equal to factorial n. Next is construction of set S1. S1 is the set of all 1 1 and onto mapping from set A containing the element 1 to itself, that is T from A to A, such that image of 1 is 1, implies S1 contain one permutation in which image of 1 is 1, which is represented by I. Here I means identity permutation. Identity permutation maps every element of the set to itself, that is, if 1, 2, 3 up to n are the elements of the set, then the image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 3, and so on. Hence, the cardinality of S1 is 1 factorial, which is equal to 1. Now, construction of set S2. S2 is the set of all 1 1 and onto mapping from set A containing the element 1 and 2 to itself, that is T from A to A, such that case 1 image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 2, case 2 image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 1, implies S2 contain two permutation. In first permutation, image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 2. In second permutation, image of 1 is 2 and image of 2 is 1, which is further written as I and 1 2. The first permutation is the identity permutation and the second permutation is represented by the permutation 1 2 in cyclic notation. The permutation 1 2 means the image of 1 is 2 and image of 2 is 1. Hence, the cardinality of S2 is 2 factorial, which is equal to 2. Next is construction of set S3. S3 is the set of all 1 1 and onto mapping from set A containing the element 1 2 3 to itself, that is T from A to A, such that case 1 image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 3, case 2 image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 1, image of 3 is 3, case 3 image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 1, case 4 image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 2, case 5 image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 1, case 6 image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 1, image of 3 is 2, which implies S3 contain these 6 permutation, which can be further represented by these cyclic notation. The first permutation is the identity permutation. The second permutation in cyclic notation is represented by the permutation 1 2. Here 1 has image 2, 2 has image 1. In the cyclic notation, we do not write those elements which map to itself. Similarly, the third permutation is represented by 1 3. The fourth permutation is represented by 2 3. The fifth permutation is represented by 1 2 3. And the sixth permutation is represented by 1 3 2. Hence, the cardinality of S3 is 3 factorial, which is equal to 6. Next is construction of set S4. In the same way as above, the set S4 has the following elements. These are the elements of the set S4, which can be further represented in cyclic notation as this. The first permutation is identity permutation. The second permutation is 1, 2, means 1 has image 2 and 2 has image 1. And the remaining element which maps to itself. And the last permutation is 1, 4, 3, 2, means 1 has image 4, 4 has image 3, 3 has image 2, and 2 has image 1. Hence, the cardinality of S4 is 4 factorial, which is equal to 24. Next is cycle. A permutation F belongs to Sn of length R is called R cycle permutation. For example, the permutation 1, 3, 5 belongs to Sn. Here n is greater than or equal to 5 is called 3 cycle permutation. Why it is so? Because we have 3 cycle, 1 has image 3, 3 has image 5, and 5 has image 1. Next is transposition. A permutation F belongs to Sn of length 2 is called transposition. For example, the permutation 1, 2 belongs to Sn, n greater than or equal to 2 is called transposition. Note, every permutation of Sn can be written as product of transposition. For example, the permutation 1, 2, 3, 4 can be written as product of permutation 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2. Even permutation. A permutation F belongs to Sn is called even permutation if F can be written as product of even number of transpositions, or if F is of odd cycle length, then F is an even permutation. For example, the permutation F equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which can be further written as product of permutation 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, implies F is product of 4 transpositions, or we can also say that F is 5 cycle permutation. Hence, F is an even permutation. Next is odd permutation. A permutation F belongs to Sn is called odd permutation if F can be written as product of odd number of transpositions, or if F is of even cycle length, then F is an odd permutation. For example, the permutation F equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which can be further represented as the product of permutation 1, 6, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, implies F is product of 5 transpositions, or we can also say that F is 6 cycle permutation. Hence, F is an odd permutation. Some important results. Number 1. Identity permutation of Sn is always an even permutation. Number 2. Product of two even permutation of Sn is an even permutation. Number 3. Product of an even and an odd permutation of Sn is an odd permutation. Number 4. Product of two odd permutation of Sn is an even permutation. Number 5. If F belongs to Sn is an even permutation, then F inverse is an even permutation. Number 6. If F belongs to Sn is an odd permutation, then F inverse is an odd permutation. Next is how to calculate inverse of a permutation in Sn. If F is the permutation which is equal to 1, 2, 3 belongs to S3, then F inverse is equal to the permutation 3, 2, 1, means you have to reverse the given cycle, which can be further written as the permutation 1, 3, 2. Why it is so? Here 1 has image 3, so we can write 1 in the first position. Next is product of two permutations. Question number 1. The permutation F equal to 1, 2 belongs to S3 and the permutation G equal to 1, 3 belongs to S3. Find the product of F and G. The permutation F equal to 1, 2 means 1 has image 2, 2 has image 1. The permutation F belongs to S3 which contain 3 elements 1, 2, 3 means 3 has image 3, and this permutation F can be written as this, and the permutation G is equal to 1, 3 means 1 has image 3, 3 has image 1, and G is also belongs to S3 which contain the element 1, 2, 3 means 2 has image 2, which is further written as this. Now the product of Fg is equal to product of permutation 1, 2 and 1, 3, which can be further written as this, and which has the product this. Why it is so? In order to find the product of permutation, we have to move from right to left in this manner, or you can say in such a way. Here 1 has image 3 and 3 has image 3 implies 1 has image 3, 1 has image 3. 2 has image 2, 2 has image 1 implies 2 has image 1, 2 has image 1. 3 has image 1 and 1 has image 2 implies 3 has image 2, 3 has image 2, which can be further written as the permutation 1, 3, 2 in cyclic notation. Question number 2. The permutation F equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 belongs to S4 and the permutation G equal to 2, 3 belongs to S4. Find the product of F and G. The permutation F equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1 has image 2, 2 has image 3, 3 has image 4 and 4 has image 1, which can be further written as this. And the permutation G equal to 2, 3 means 2 has image 3, 3 has image 2. The permutation G belongs to S4 which contain the element 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1 has image 1 and 4 has image 4, which can be further written as this. Now the product of Fg is equal to product of permutation 1, 2, 3, 4 and permutation 2, 3, which can be represented by this and has the product this. Why it is so? Here 1 has image 1 and 1 has image 2 implies 1 has image 2, 1 has image 2. 2 has image 3, 3 has image 4 implies 2 has image 4, 2 has image 4. 3 has image 2, 2 has image 3 implies 3 has image 3, 3 has image 3. 4 has image 4, 4 has image 1 implies 4 has image 1, 4 has image 1, which can be further written as the permutation 1, 2, 4 in cyclic notation. Question number 3. The permutation F equal to 1, 2, 3 belongs to S3. Find F square and F cube. The permutation F equal to 1, 2, 3 means 1 has image 2, 2 has image 3 and 3 has image 1, which can be written as this. Now F square means the product of F into F, which is equal to product of permutation 1, 2, 3 with the permutation 1, 2, 3, which can be written as this and has the product this. Why it is so? The image of 1 is 2 and image of 2 is 3 implies image of 1 is 3, image of 1 is 3. The image of 2 is 3 and image of 3 is 1 implies image of 2 is 1, image of 2 is 1. The image of 3 is 1 and image of 1 is 2 implies image of 3 is 2, image of 3 is 2, which can be represented by the permutation 1, 3, 2 in cyclic notation. And F cube is product of F square into F, which is equal to product of permutation 1, 3, 2 with the permutation 1, 2, 3, which is represented by this and has the product this. Why it is so? Here the image of 1 is 2 and image of 2 is 1, which implies image of 1 is 1, image of 1 is 1. 2 has image 3, 3 has image 2 implies 2 has image 2, 2 has image 2. 3 has image 1, 1 has image 3 implies 3 has image 3, 3 has image 3, which is known as identity permutation. Next is disjoint cycle. Two cycles are disjoint if they do not have any common elements. Question number 4. This question was asked in NBHM MAMSC exam in 2013. Let Sn denotes the symmetric group of order n, that is, the group of all permutation of the n symbols 1, 2 up to n, given two permutation sigma and tau in Sn. We define the product of sigma tau as their composition got by applying sigma first and then applying tau to the set 1, 2 up to n. Write down the following permutation in S8 as the product of disjoint cycles. The permutations are 1, 4, 3, 8, 7 and 5, 4, 8. Let sigma is the permutation 1, 4, 3, 8, 7 means 1 has image 4, 4 has image 3, 3 has image 8, 8 has image 7 and 7 has image 1, which is belongs to S8, which contain the element 1, 2 up to 8, means the remaining element has the image itself, and the permutation tau is equal to 5, 4, 8 means 5 has image 4, 4 has image 8 and 8 has image 5. This is also belongs to S8, which contain the element 1, 2 up to 8, means the remaining element has the image itself. It is given that the product of sigma tau is defined as their composition got by applying sigma first and then applying tau, implies we have to take product tau sigma. Now, product of tau sigma is equal to product of permutation 548 with the permutation 14387, which is represented by this, which has the product this. Why it is so? Here the image of 1 is 4 and image of 4 is 8, implies 1 has image 8, 1 has image 8, 2 has image 2, 2 has image 2, which implies 2 has image 2, 2 has image 2, 3 has image 8, 8 has image 5, implies 3 has image 5, 3 has image 5, 4 has image 3, 3 has image 3, implies 4 has image 3, 4 has image 3, 5 has image 5 and 5 has image 4, implies 5 has image 4, 5 has image 4, 6 has image 6 and 6 has image 6, implies 6 has image 6, 6 has image 6, 7 has image 1 and 1 has image 1, implies 7 has image 1, 7 has image 1, 8 has image 7 and 7 has image 7, implies 8 has image 7, 8 has image 7, which can be further represented by the product of permutation 187 and 354 in cyclic notation. These are disjoint cycles. Why it is so? Because they do not have any common element. Next is sign, signature or signum of a permutation sigma. It is denoted by SGN sigma and is defined as +1 if sigma is an even permutation and -1 if sigma is an odd permutation. Question number 5. This question was asked in NBHN MAMSC exam in 2014. Find the sign of the permutation sigma defined below. The permutation has 1 has image 3, 2 has image 1, 3 has image 4, 4 has image 2. It is given that sigma is the given permutation, which can be written as the permutation 1, 3, 4, 2 in cyclic notation, implies sigma is of even cycle length, implies sigma is an odd permutation, which implies SGN sigma is -1. Hence, sign of permutation sigma is -1. Question number 6. This question was asked in NBHM MAMSC exam in 2017. Let sigma is the permutation 14387 and the permutation tau is 548 be cycles in S8 express sigma tau and tau sigma. In product sigma tau, we first apply sigma and then apply tau as the product of disjoint cycles. It is given that the permutation sigma is 1, 4, 3, 8, 7, means 1 has image 4, 4 has image 3, 3 has image 8, 8 has image 7 and 7 has image 1 belongs to S8, which contain the element 1 to up to 8, implies the remaining element maps to itself, and the permutation tau is equal to 5, 4, 8, means 5 has image 4, 4 has image 8 and 8 has image 5, also belongs to S8, which contain the element 1 2 up to 8, means the remaining element maps to itself. Now the product tau sigma is the product of permutation 5, 4, 8 to the permutation 1, 4, 3, 8, 7, which is represented by this and has the product this. Here one thing is note that in product sigma tau, first we apply sigma and then apply tau. Likewise, in the product of tau sigma, we have to first apply tau and then sigma, means in this product we have to move from left to right. Here one has image 1 and one has image 4, implies one has image 4, one has image 4, 2 has image 2, 2 has image 2, implies 2 has image 2, 2 has image 2, 3 has image 3, 3 has image 8, implies 3 has image 8, 3 has image 8, 4 has image 8 and 8 has image 7, implies 4 has image 7, 4 has image 7, 5 has image 4, 4 has image 3, implies 5 has image 3, 5 has image 3, 6 has image 6, 6 has image 6, implies 6 has image 6, 6 has image 6, 7 has image 7, 7 has image 1, implies 7 has image 1, 7 has image 1, 8 has image 5, 5 has image 5, implies 8 has image 5, 8 has image 5, which can be further represented by the product of permutation 147 and 385 in cyclic notation. Similarly, the product of sigma tau is the product of permutation 187 and the permutation 354. For more detail, you have to see the question number 4. These are disjoint cycles because they do not have any common element. Question number 7. This question was asked in NBHM PhD exam in 2010. Write the following permutation as a product of disjoint cycle. In permutation, image of 1 is 6, image of 2 is 5, image of 3 is 4, image of 4 is 3, image of 5 is 1 and image of 6 is 2. Let sigma is the given permutation, which can be written as product of permutation 1625 and 34 in cyclic notation, which are disjoint cycles. Why it is so? Because they do not have any common element. Note number 1. If the permutation F is A1, A2 up to AR belongs to Sn, then F inverse is the permutation AR, AR minus 1 up to A1, means we have to reverse the cycle. 2. If the permutation F is represented as the product of permutation F1, F2 up to Fk, where each Fi is distinct permutation, then F inverse is F1 inverse, product F2 inverse up to Fk inverse. 3. If the permutation F is the product of permutation F1, F2 up to Fk, then F inverse is the Fk inverse, product Fk minus 1 inverse up to F1 inverse. Question number 8. This question was asked in NBHM PhD exam in 2016. With the usual notations, compute ABA inverse in S5 and express it as the product of disjoint cycles, where A is the permutation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B is the permutation 2, 3, 1, 4. It is given that the permutation A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is the permutation 2, 3, 1, 4 belongs to S5, implies A inverse is the inverse of the permutation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is represented as the product of inverse of permutation 1, 2, 3 and the inverse of permutation 4, 5, which can be written as product of permutation 3, 2, 1 and permutation 5, 4, which is further represented as the product of permutation 1, 3, 2 and permutation 4, 5. Now ABA inverse is represented by this, which is further represented by these. Now take the product of last two permutation, we get this, and which has the product this. Why it is so? Here the image of 1 is 2 and image of 2 is 3 implies image of 1 is 3, image of 1 is 3. The image of 2 is 4 and image of 4 is 5 implies image of 2 is 5, image of 2 is 5. Image of 3 is 3, image of 3 is 1 implies image of 3 is 1, image of 3 is 1. Image of 4 is 5 and image of 5 is 4 implies image of 4 is 4, image of 4 is 4. Image of 5 is 1 and image of 1 is 2 implies image of 5 is 2, image of 5 is 2, which can be further written as the product of permutation 1, 3 and 2, 5 in cyclic notation. These are disjoint cycles. Question number 9. This question was asked in NBHM PhD exam in 2016. Consider the following permutation. In the permutation, image of 1 is 7, image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 10, image of 4 is 6, image of 5 is 2, image of 6 is 9, image of 7 is 8, image of 8 is 1, image of 9 is 5, image of 10 is 3. Is this an odd or an even permutation? Let sigma be the given permutation. Implies sigma is represented by this, which can be further written as the product of permutation 178, 24695 and 310 in the cyclic notation. The first permutation is an even permutation because it is of odd cycle length. The second permutation is an even permutation because it is of odd cycle length. And the third permutation is an odd permutation because it is of even cycle length. We know that the product of two even permutation is an even permutation and the product of even permutation with odd permutation is an odd permutation, implies this is an odd permutation. Hence sigma is an odd permutation. Next is symmetric group Sn. Question number 10. Show that the set Sn form a group under mapping composition known as symmetric group Sn. Let f, g belongs to Sn implies f and g are 1, 1 and onto mappings. Now the product of fg is 1, 1 and onto mapping. Why it is so? We know that the composition of two 1, 1 and onto mapping is again a 1, 1 and onto mapping, implies the product of fg belongs to Sn for all f, g belongs to Sn. For all f, g, h belongs to Sn, f into gh equal to fg into h. I is the permutation in which 1 has image 1, 2 has image 2 and so on up to n has image n is 1, 1 and onto mapping called identity mapping such that I into f equal to f into I for all f belongs to Sn. Let f belongs to Sn implies f is 1, 1 and onto mapping, implies f inverse exists, then f inverse is also 1, 1 and onto mapping, implies f inverse belongs to Sn such that f into f inverse is I equal to f inverse into f. The set Sn satisfy all the four axioms of the group. Hence, Sn form a group under mapping composition. Next is order of symmetric group Sn. The order of Sn is factorial n. For example, the order of S3 is factorial 3, which is equal to 6. Next is representation of S3 is same as D3. We know that S3 has the permutation identity 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 3, 2, which can be written as S3 contain the permutation 1, 2 to the power I. the permutation 1, 2, 3 to the power j such that the permutation 1, 2 square is identity, the permutation 1, 2, 3 cube is identity, and the product of permutation 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3 is equal to the product of inverse of permutation 1, 2, 3 with the permutation 1, 2. Here I varies from 0 to 1 and j varies from 0 to 2, which is generated by the permutation 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3, implies S3 is isomorphic to D3, means S3 and D3 have same representation. Next is alternating set An. The set of all even permutation of Sn is known as alternating set An. Number of elements in the set An where n is greater than 1, which is equal to factorial n by 2. Now, construction of set A1. A1 is the set of all even permutation from the set S1 containing identity permutation, implies A1 contain identity permutation because identity is an even permutation. Hence, the cardinality of A1 is 1. Next is construction of set A2. A2 is the set of all even permutation from the set S2 containing the permutation I and 1, 2, implies A2 contain the permutation I. Why it is so? 1, 2 is an odd permutation because it is of even cycle length. Hence, the cardinality of A2 is factorial 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Construction of set A3. A3 is the set of all even permutation from set S3 containing the permutation I, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 3, 2, implies A3 contain the permutation I, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 3, 2. Hence, the cardinality of A3 is factorial 3 by 2, which is equal to 3. Next is construction of set A4. A4 is the set of all even permutation from set S4 which contain these permutation, implies A4 contain these permutations. Hence, the cardinality of A4 is factorial 4 by 2, which is equal to 12. Next is alternating group An. Question number 11. Show that the set An form a group under mapping composition known as alternating group An. Let f, g belongs to An. Then f and g are even permutation. We know that the product of two even permutation is again even permutation. Implies for all f, g belongs to An, the product of fg belongs to An. For all f, g, h belongs to N, f into gh equal to fg into h. Also, we know that I is an even permutation, implies I belongs to An such that I into f equal to f into I for all f belongs to An. Let f belongs to An, then f inverse also belongs to An because the inverse of an even permutation is an even permutation, such that f into f inverse equal to I equal to f inverse into f. The set An satisfy all the four axioms of the group. Hence, An form a group under mapping composition. Order of alternating group An. The order of An is order of Sn divided by 2, which is equal to factorial n by 2. For example, the order of A4 is factorial 4 by 2, which is equal to 12. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.